Hey guys, Chris here with Voodoo Sidecar. Today we're doing a tiki cocktail because it's nice outside. It's a Northwest Daiquri, I guess. I picked a couple flowers from my garden, lemon verbena and a lily magnolia, both edible. All right, let's do this. The first thing we're gonna do is grab our mixing tins. Gonna be starting off with Year Pan single blended rum. And I'm going to be using 2 ounces of that. Oh yeah. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. I'm not using fresh, but make sure it's concentrated. As you can see, I did a little fresh squeeze here of orange juice, which is great because the fresher it is, the fresher it tastes. 3/4 ounces of that. And next we will be using a vanilla syrup, and this is going to be a 1/2 ounce. To make that at home, it's just 1 part sugar, 1 part water, and then a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give a couple licks on the fingers, put in the ice. Oh, hey. And then double strain. Get those fine grits of ice and pulp out of there. Here's the twist. I'm using a lemon verbena and a magnolia, lily magnolia from my garden, both of which are edible. Cheers.